Hey guys, this video is going to be my favorite lipsticks. These are just the lipsticks I keep reaching for. I mean, there's not that many. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. There's 7, so that's like not that many. These are just the ones that I know I can reach for, and like when I don't know what to wear, and then I can just like wear these. And I'm really feeling my eye look, so I'm going to zoom you in. Well, I'm going to bring it closer. I can't zoom on an iPad, I think. But yeah, it's just a purple wing with some red underneath. And I used a red mascara, which I think is probably going in the trash after this, because it was a little bit flaky. And I had a hard time building it up, but I got it there with some work. But I'm probably going to throw it out after this. Or maybe get the ColourPop red one, because they're coming out with some color mascaras, and I'm like, ooh, red. Okay. I'm going to be swatching all these on the back of my hand, so let's start with whenever I don't know what lipstick to wear. I'm not wearing any of these on my lips right now, but I have a similar one. But whenever I don't know whatever lipstick I want to wear, and it's like, I don't know, I just go with NYX Stockholm. This is like almost empty, or at least it feels almost empty. I don't know. It still goes on, I mean. But yeah, I'm gonna swatch it to me, and then I'll flip it, so I don't ruin any lines. So it's just like a pink, and it's like kind of muted. It's like, I guess, I don't know. It's not too warm. I mean, it's a little warm, but it's not like super warm. But yeah, it has a little bit of peachiness to it, but it's more like muted, kind of browny. But yeah, so whenever I don't know what to put on, I usually put on this. And then one of my go-to nudes is this one. This is from Black Radiance from Walmart. I got this. This is a Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream in Go Nude. I hate that the names are only on the plastic, so when you take the plastic off, the names are. But I only have this one out of the whole brand, so it's like, I only have this one, and it's like my favorite nude ever. But this one, the one I'm wearing is kind of similar to it, but the one I'm wearing is kind of more pinky tone. But yeah, this is just a really nice, like, cool toned, kind of brownie shade. Like, I love these kind of shades, and I'm just knocking down everything. But yeah, see, these are the kind of shades I always reach for and stuff. And whenever I want like a nude that will, like, not all these are nudes, of course. I have only one I would consider not a nude, but some of these you might consider not a nude. Whenever I want to go for like something, this is like almost like this, but if I want something a little more moisturizing, this is very moisturized. This is Burt's Bees lipstick in Suede Splash. I love this color so much. Like, I wear this so much. Let me just, does take a little bit of building, but it feels like lip balm on your lips. Like, it's seriously so moisturizing. And yeah, that's the kind of shade. And it kind of has a sheen to it too. I really like this. Like, this and this wears away really nicely. This, like, stays all day. Like, it's kind of drying, but whatever. And then this is the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. This is the metallic one. I think they're getting rid of these metallic ones. And this is in the shade Luster. And it's like a gray brown. And, like, it is so cool. Like, I love wearing this. And then once it dries, it does take a little while for these. Like, I've had a couple of these. Right now I only have 2 left. I've had 4 of these though at some point, and they do kind of take a little to dry, but once they dry, like, they kind of stay put. But when this dries, it does get more brown on me personally. But yeah, it's just like a brownie gray. I mean, it kind of looks super gray, but it's like a cool tone brownie gray. Like, yeah, it's like brown, and when it dries, it looks more brown than gray, and it looks. And another one I have 2 Jeffree Star ones, so I'm gonna go. Why not wait, I'm gonna go with this one because this is kind of nudie too, actually. And this one, I actually didn't like the color at first. Like, my sister got this for me for Christmas. It is a Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche Liquified Lip. And this is in caramelized. And it was just really warm toned on me. And it was like, I don't really like this. But now, I've just worn it so much. I love the formula, though, on this. I love the formula. Like, even when I first put it on, I'm like, ooh, I like this formula. Like, the formula is really nice on this. And the color has grown on me. I love wearing this color with orange looks. Or, like, warm neutral looks, which I don't really wear too many warm neutral looks. I either wear color or like cool tone neutrals. I've been really into purples lately, but I also went through an orange phase recently, and this just looks so beautiful with oranges, and like this is pretty warm too. Like this or this I can wear with warm tone looks. And then, okay, now I'm gonna go to the 2 Jeffree Star ones I have, so there's only 2 more. And then this is Delicious. This is from the Family Collection, which I think the Family Collection is permanent. I'm not 100% sure. They're all like on the website still, but yeah, I'll swatch this. And this one is just like a cool tone brown. Like, I would consider this a kind of darker nude, but it's still a nude for myself, but it's just deeper. But you may not consider that a nude. To each your own. But yeah, that's a pretty like purpley, browny kind of shade. It's like has some warmth to it though. It's like a warmer purple than like this, than like what I would. But it's like, it's still on the cooler side. And then the last one is Jeffree Star Flamethrower. I love oranges on me. Like, I wear oranges when I wear like orangey looks, or sometimes I wear like a red wine and then put orange on. But I don't like ready oranges. I only like other oranges. Like, if you don't want like a liquid lipstick, another close one to this is Revlon is that Revlon? The Siren lipstick. I have that one, but this one's a little bit brighter than that one. But oh my god, it looks so good on me. Like, I love wearing it with some orange eyes or like some red liner, or like, I've been really into the color liner lately, as you can tell. Kind of like, I've been wearing color liner a lot, but yeah. So these are just all the lipsticks that I usually reach for. It's actually a lot nude. Like, I don't really reach for colorful lipsticks, I guess, as much as I thought. Like, I have colorful lipsticks. Like, I have a navy, I have a black. I rarely wear the black, though. I have, like, reds. Like, reds are not super colorful, but I rarely wear reds anyways. Well, I don't know. But yeah, these are the colors I wear the most of my entire collection, which is surprising that I can only pull 7, because I own like 100 lip products, and I'm really trying to pare down and try to use some up, and like, because a couple of them are like almost empty. Like this one's almost empty, and I love this one so much, but I think once this one's empty, I'm gonna try to use up another one and then repurchase this, because I really love this, but I have, like, I could maybe try to use this one too in place of that, but maybe not. Probably not. But yeah. I've been really into, like, more shiny things lately. Like, I really want to try those, Physicians Formula Murmur Butter lipsticks that came out. I want to try those, and I think when I go to the mall to pick up my birthday present for my sister, I might go and get one of the Marc Jacobs lip gloss sticks, because those look so pretty. I might get the mauve one, because that's what I usually go for, is like cool tones. Like this is like a cool tone pink, but it is more pink than like this one. But yeah. But I really want to get more like in this, or like I want to get more of these. I definitely want to get more of these Amuse Bouche Liquified Lips. And there's just not a lot of colors that interest me in this formula. Like a lot of them look like I'm like, maybe I won't like it, because I was swatching them in store when I went. I don't know when I went. I didn't buy anything. Oh, I didn't buy anything at the mall that time, I think. Oh no, it was like right after Christmas, I think. Oh yeah, it was for my sister's birthday. And I did actually buy something from Lush, because they had a buy one get one free of this soap. This Christmassy soap. And I bought that, because I got one for my mom and one for me. It smelled so good. It was the golden pear one. And it smells so good. But anyways, yeah, so I'm really surprised that it's only 7 that I can really say with confidence that, oh, these are the ones I constantly reach for. Like, I was like, maybe I can pull this one, then I'm like, no, I don't really reach for that. I reach for these, and like, these alone mostly. Like, I do reach for other ones, like, when the mood strikes, but like, for someone who owns like 100 lipsticks, and only reaching for like 7 constantly, not 10. That's kind of crazy now that I think about it. And like, it shows me that I really should pare down my lipsticks, and maybe I could get down to like only owning 20 or something. I don't know. I would still want like one of every color, like a red, my bright orange. I keep the Jeffree Star ones in the box because I don't know why. I also keep this one in its box. I don't know why either. The rest of these are just out. But yeah. So yeah. I really like all these colors though, and can say with confidence that I would probably repurchase these if I could, if any of them ran out. Like this one over here is the one that I'm like, I think they're discontinuing this. I've worn it a bunch, not as much as like this one or like this one, but like I feel like these kind of last a really long time too, so like whatever. But yeah, I'm just gonna go so I don't talk your heads off. You probably already left anyways, to be honest. You did left. I'm by myself. But anyways, so I'm just say see you next time. And thank you for watching. And if you like this video, then don't I always said Jack's outro. Like, don't be copying people's outros, because that's bad. And like I was doing Christine's, like Nettie, my little sister Anna, she that's her name, Anna, not the thing I said before, because she changed her name. But yeah, what was I saying? Pointing out that I was using it was my outro I was saying for the last like 2 or 3 videos or something like that was from Christine. So I need to not do that. I need to come up with my own one. I don't know what it's gonna be. So see you next time. So long, farewell, and see ya again, hopefully.